Hi, I'm Pauliina Jämsä and I'm international digital marketing expert from Finland. I speak 7 languages, I lived in 5 different countries, and I've worked in digital for 9 years now. I'm a huge fan of CSI Cyber, not just because of the crimes, but there's always a hint of truth in this. For example, episode 1. Baby monitors are hacked by organized crime so they can kidnap babies and sell them in auction. Pretty unrealistic, right? Think again. 7 baby monitors were hacked by researchers last September, and they were able to access live feed, and they were able to control the baby monitor all remotely. They didn't even have to access the house. In fact, 70% of Internet of Things lack basic security. And security spent on IoT has increased to 350 million this year. But what is this compared to 6 billion connected devices that we're gonna have this year? It's nothing. It's peanuts. So yeah, we need more security, but it's never as straightforward as you would think. Unfortunately, IoT is in fashion. It means that companies are connecting their things just for the sake of being connected. And these things are produced by consumer good manufacturers who don't have the cybersecurity experience what the software and hardware companies have. Securing IoT requires specific skills because you can't only secure the product, you have to secure the software, you have to secure the infrastructure, and you have to secure the data. And you also have to provide regular updates. But only 49% of IoT companies do this. Why? Well, they might not see any economical benefit for doing this. It's more convenient for them if the consumer updates it manually. They think it's too risky, or they just don't know how to do it. It doesn't really help that for us consumers, a connected fridge is still a fridge. That's why we leave our Internet of Things around and we keep our password 1234. I mean, who would think that a smart thermostat can be used to hack your bank account or something? Well, it can happen. And it doesn't really help either that sometimes we don't even know things are connected. I mean, 44% of consumers didn't even know what connected car is. That's crazy. So yeah, we need standards. We need standards, and IoT security is becoming hot topic for government as well. But how can we really control global manufacturers? Because they are expensive, sophisticated Internet of Things, and then they are cheap and disposable of Internet of Things. If you're a manufacturer who's spending almost nothing on chips and you are using inexpensive material and you have to compromise between battery life and cybersecurity, which one do you think wins? The one that sells more and costs less. So is it our marketers' job to make IoT security hot? Like, should we be the ones who are pushing the security message? Maybe. I mean, IoT security would be a huge competitive advantage if only users knew and cared. how risky it is. And educating such a huge amount of people, it's expensive, it's complicated. Whatever channels we use, it's still not gonna reach everyone. And that's why as marketers we push benefits that users understand, which is, battery life, cool software, cool little things, material, design. I wish I could focus on IoT security, but we also need to hit our targets. So maybe, I don't know, maybe we should just make watching CSI Cyber obligatory before you purchase an IoT device or something. Whatever it is, we have to do something, because CSI Cyber might be talking about these unrealistic cases, but in few years' time, this may well become reality. Look what happened to cheap. That is everything for now. I hope you enjoyed it. You can read more on my blog, internationaldigitalmarketing.com. Have a great day.